What if your wheelchair didn't feel like a burden? In 2025, new materials and designs are changing everything. Some of these chairs weigh less than a gallon of milk but hold 300+ pounds. But here's the truth, most lightweight chairs are still clunky or overpriced. After interviewing 100+ users and testing for airport travel, car transfers, and daily comfort, these 5 stand out. The number 1 pick? It folds smaller than an umbrella. All purchase links below, plus exclusive discount codes. Number 1. Drive Medical TR39 ESV. The Drive Medical lightweight wheelchair has a durable steel frame and provides reliable stability whether it is used for independent mobility or assistance. The wheelchair weight capacity is 250 pounds, which makes it a good option for many people. It offers superior maneuverability in narrow indoor spaces. This lightweight folding wheelchair comes with cushioned armrests and swing-away footrests that ensure comfort. The chair and backrest fold flat, which makes it easy to transport. Its comfortable seat makes sitting for long hours a comfortable experience, and the nylon upholstery is easy to clean. Learn more about this product in this video that details a tester's experience with it. Number 2. Medline Lightweight. The Medline Lightweight transport wheelchair comes with large 12-inch rear wheels for enhanced performance on uneven outdoor terrain. The loop-style manually operated hand brakes are perfect during transfer for better wheelchair mobility. The weight-bearing capacity of this wheelchair is 300 pounds. This is a foldable wheelchair that makes it easy to store and carry during travel. The back of this chair folds down to make it more compact. It features full-length permanent armrests, a detachable footrest, a seat belt for safety, and nylon upholstery. This video details a reviewer's experience with the product. It will provide you with added insights about the design. Number 3. Drive Medical Blue Streak Lightweight Wheelchair. Drive Medical's Blue Streak wheelchair features cutting-edge design. The premium swing-away legs and detachable flip-back armrests for advanced versatility and easy transportation of the product. This ergonomic wheelchair design is crafted for comfort to make independent mobility easy and enjoyable. The solid rubber tires are mounted on composite wheels, which guarantees a consistently smooth ride for the user. The wheelchair safety features include a push-lock design. The sleek blue powdered frame is finished with durable wheelchair materials to prevent cracks and chipping. Many reviewers are of the opinion that the nylon upholstery of the chair is easy to clean and low maintenance. Take a look at this video review to learn more about this lightweight power wheelchair. Number 4. Nova Medical Products Lightweight. The Nova Lightweight Transport Chair is designed to provide easy, lightweight patient transport. This economical chair is easy to maneuver and fold. The secondary wheel locks and detachable anti-tippers add to the safety of this product. The patented locking hand brakes and the 12-inch rugged rear wheels allow to control the speed and park the brakes. The adjustable wheelchair features include an adaptable seat belt and a small storage pouch to keep your keys and cell phone. The black frame is super sturdy and offers optimum comfort. The removable armrests have a flip-up design that makes transferring the user from a car, bed, or chair much easier. The removable footrests can be locked back into place easily. They are easy to adjust and come with heel loops, so the user can rest their feet. According to reviewers, the wheelchair is lightweight with its seat comfortable and the armrests at the right height. Number 5. Sentire Med Deluxe Electric Wheelchair. The Forza FCX can be easily folded, without needing to disassemble. This wheelchair for travel includes spacious under-the-seat storage, removable seat cushion and backrest, and a flip-up footrest for optimum level of comfort. The ergonomic design provides maximum comfort. This power wheelchair has undergone stringent quality inspection and expert evaluation. It can be driven in grass, gravel, or snow. The shock absorbers ensure a smooth ride on all terrains. The heavy-duty front casters and forks are made to handle the impact of any surface as well as high weight capacity. This wheelchair is powered with a 250-watt motor. The smart aluminum craft alloy frame matches the footrest and lends this wheelchair a stylish look. It comes with a joystick that is set for right-handed operation. The maximum weight capacity of this chair is 67 pounds, which is amazing. Many reviews indicate that the wheelchair is comfortable, easy to maneuver, and ideal for long-term use. So, which chair would transform your mobility? Let's help each other out. Share your experiences in the comments. If this video made wheelchair shopping easier, please like and share it with someone who needs this info. Subscribe for more accessible tech reviews. Next week, we're testing a wheelchair with built-in obstacle detection.